Welcome to my channel. Hi. In order to help you speak basic English, we have collected Urdu to English sentences for daily use. After learning these English sentences with Urdu translation, you will be able to speak English on different occasions. So let's get started. What difference does it make?
इससे क्या फर्क पड़ता है?
We were bored of his behavior.
इसके सलूक से हम उकता गए.
I have to go to Faisalabad.
मुझे फैसलाबाद जाना है.
All is fair in love and war.
प्यार जंग में सब कुछ जायज है.
Extolling you at your face is flattery.
मुन्ह पर तारीफ करना खुशामद होती है.
I often meet her.
मैं इसे अक्सर मिलता हूं.
She told you twice.
इसने तुम्हें 2 दफा बताया.
He seldom comes here.
वो कभी कभार यहां आता है.
When will you leave?
तुम कब रवाना होगे?
He got off the bus.
वो बस से उतरा.
Subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon for more.